Hi guys, it's Strathclyde 55 and today we're at Cardonald. Enjoy the video. Here we have 385016 to Glasgow Central. (385) 016 to Glasgow Central from Gourock. (380) 101 to Lark from Glasgow Central. And we also have another one here to Glasgow Central. From Gourock, I think. 380220. Here we have a 318, which is quite rare, going to Wemsby. (380) 004 to Ayr. That was 380 004 to Ayr from Glasgow Central. Here we have a 385 to, what is it again? I think, yeah, it's Gourock. Sorry about that. But 385 to Gourock from Glasgow Central. (385) 014. (385) 016 to Gourock, and we've also got the 380. No, so annoying. All right, I guess 380 to Glasgow Central, and then 385 to Gourock. We almost missed that one because of the 385. Here we have a 380 from Gourock to Glasgow Central. 380 010. (380) 010 from Gourock to Glasgow Central. We have a 380 to, let me just see the front of the train, to across the harbour. 380 020. Here we have the 318 to Glasgow Central from Gourock. Here we have a 380 from Ayr to Glasgow Central. Here we have a 380 to Glasgow Central. From Wemsby. Here we have a 385 to Glasgow Central from Wemsby. Here we have a 380 to Ayr from Glasgow Central. 380 110. Thank you, driver, for the beep. We have a 380 Express coming here. We also have one over there. So I really want this one to come first, which it is, which is good. Otherwise I'm going to miss it. Here we have 380 007 James Bond train to Glasgow Central. And we have a 380 here. I think it is to, let me just see, 380010. I think that's going to Weemsbury, I'm not sure. I think. To Weemsbury. Thank you, driver, for the horn. You've got 380013 to Glasgow Central. We have two 380s, we've got one over there and one here. They're going to pass at the same time, let's be honest. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then that one goes over there. We have a 318 here. It's going to... It's coming from Glasgow Central and it's going to Gurrock. We've got a 385 now. It's coming from Glasgow Central and yeah, here we go. $385,006. Someone's lost a football. We have a 380 here. It's going from Glasgow Central to Ayr. To spice things up a little bit, I've got a quiz question for you. So I'm going to start doing these just now. Okay, so what train is not a ScotRail train? A, 390, B, 318, and C, 156. Comment your answers down below in the comments. So we've got a 380 over there, but we've also got a 380 coming here. It's a fast one. I think it's from Largs to Glasgow Central. Also got another 380 here from Glasgow Central person. Glasgow Central to Gurrock, 38013. One which we saw earlier from Glasgow Central to Gurrock. Here we have a 380 to Glasgow Central from Weemsbury. 380,005. 38005 to Glasgow Central from Williams Bay. We've got a 380 from Glasgow Central to Ardrossan Harbour. We've now got a very fast 380, 017 Glasgow Central from air. Here we have a 380 to air, 380 102. Here we have a 380 to Gourock from Glasgow Central. 380 005.
Please stand clear of the platform edge and crash train approaching.
380 005 to Gourock from Glasgow Central. And here we have a 318 to Glasgow Central from Williams Bay. We've got a 380 101 to Glasgow Central. Here we have a 385 from Gourock to Glasgow Central, 385 016. Here we have a 385 from Gourock to Glasgow Central, 385 016. We've also got a fast train approaching. Here it comes. To Largs from Glasgow Central. 385 017. Sorry, I meant to say 380 017, not 385. 380 here, 380 111 to Glasgow Central from Williams Bay. We have a 318 to Williams Bay, I think, from Glasgow Central. An 8257. Going through here, the 318s are so calm. Thank you guys for watching Trains at Cardonald, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.